This is my 1 month follow-up with the Astro van since I've used the dielectric grease. I've used it on the ignition module, the coil, the spark plugs, all the connectors to all the crank sensors, the vapor canister, purge valve, you name it. I redid all the connectors, and I have not had one issue since. I have stopped blowing my ignition modules, and it starts up every time. There's been plenty of rain this last 30 days, plenty of moisture in the air, just like this morning. The van was covered in dew, and started right up with no issue, no hesitation, boom, cranked right on. So if you're having a problem with moisture with the 4.3 liters, especially from the 90s, like mine's in 1997, that will solve the issue. And I promise you, you'll stop losing coils and ignition modules and rotor and cap.